Hi everyone, this is Alexander Antsipov, and in this video I'm going to show how to use Ionic component in mobile application which is created on April.io. First, let's create new application Ionic 4 with name Ionic component app. Let's open screen 1. As you see, the number of April.io component is limited, and if you would open Ionic documentation, we will find rather more components which can be used in mobile application. Probably the most popular component which is absent now in April is a text area, and in order to use this component, everything what is needed, so just copy the code. Then we have to add HTML component to screen and edit. So press edit and paste this code here. Press save and test. Application is ready, and now on the screen we see the UI of mobile application with text area component, and here we can type our text. So as you see, it is in a lot of cases more convenient than using ordinary input component. Now let's add my favorite component, Ionic FAB component again. Here we can test how it will work, and then we can copy. So let's copy and add the code of this component into April.io HTML component. So let's do it, save and test again. Okay, we see our component and we can test how it works. Now let's come back to April.io editor, and probably you noticed this strange expression person, children and person, and probably some of you doesn't know what does it mean. So here I can show what it means. For that I will add button component into HTML component, and then again press edit, and here I will duplicate text area component before children and after children. Now let's test. So this is the UI of our application, and as you see, the button component on the screen is displayed between two text area component, and probably you already guess what children expression means. So everything what is inserted into HTML component will be added on the UI of our mobile application in the place where children placeholder is located. That is all what I wanted to show in this video. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments.